What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mirror dash cams on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is PRUVEEO 12-foot mirror dash cam. For channel mirror dash cam front and rear, inside, left, right, the FHD 1080p dash cam's 150-degree super wide-angle lens and 12 inches huge LCD screen give sharper movies and images even when traveling at high speeds. The first dash cam can simultaneously record the front and sides of the vehicle, and the two cabin cameras 360-degree arbitrarily adjust the shooting angle, ensuring that there is no dead angle around the car. With GPS module and tracking speed, the new J20-4CH dash cameras with external connection GPS allows it to precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location, speed, kmh/mph, time, and routes on a map in real time. Install and use the GPS player. The right side of the GPS player displays the path trajectory that has been taken, and coordinates help track the precise positions of an accident, which is important for roadside help and insurance claims. Quality night vision and reassuring all-weather monitor. The cabin cameras have an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights. In addition to producing incredibly clear recordings, its image performance will be far superior to that of other dash cams at night. The 3 cameras also have the latest, most sensitive night vision image sensor integrated right into them, so they can capture stunning images even in pitch-black spaces at night. That protects you around the clock. Loop recording and emergency accident locks. To assure indefinite loop recording, the oldest unlocked footage will be automatically erased and the memory card reaches its maximum storage capacity. Once the built-in emergency lock senses a collision, the dash cam will automatically lock the currently recording footage as evidence of an event. Loop recording will not overwrite the locked files. Easy installation with no battery with the help of the reference images in our user manual. This J20-4CH mirror dash camera is very simple to install and use. Use random straps to tie onto the original rearview mirror, add a micro SD card and link to the power source. There is no battery included, preventing mishaps from sun exposure, hot temperatures inside the automobile, or battery damage. PRUVEEO support. PRUVEEO J20 mirror dash cam is backed by full 18-month assurance. We offer 7 by 24 hours technical support. You can text us or email PRUVEEO support service and we will quick solutions.it. Can comes with a free replacement or refund if the dash cam have any doubts. In our list, the number 4 product name is PRUVEEO 2K mirror dash cam 3-channel. 3 triple channel recording. The J30 dash cam is used to record 3 perspectives simultaneously: front, inside cabin, and rear, capturing high-definition 1080p video to ensure safety and comprehensive coverage during every drive. Designed to make driving and parking safer, used as a reliable monitoring tool for documenting incidents or enhancing situational awareness on the road. Perfect for everyday use. Ideal for personal vehicles, rideshare services like Uber and Lyft, taxis, and trucks. GPS tracking for precise route documentation. The built-in GPS feature is used to track driving routes and record precise locations for added peace of mind. Ideal for fleet management or rideshare services. This feature is used as an essential tool for documenting the exact details of each trip, providing location-based evidence when needed. 24-hour parking monitor for ultimate protection. The dash cam's 24-hour parking monitor is used to detect collisions when your vehicle is stationary, automatically activating to capture footage of the event. It's capable of providing continuous monitoring with optional time-lapse recording. Type-C hardwire kit required. AZDOME 0BFCQCV2N. Used in high-risk parking areas, driveways, or garages, this feature ensures peace of mind without draining your car battery. Infrared night vision for low-light clarity. Featuring infrared night vision, the cabin camera is used for clear recording in low-light and completely dark conditions. With 4 infrared lights that automatically adjust to ambient lighting, it's capable of capturing every detail inside the cabin, making it ideal for rideshare operators or drivers during nighttime hours. The camera's 320 degrees rotation is used to ensure flexible positioning for optimal visibility. High-performance CMOS sensors for clear video. High-performance CMOS sensors make this dash cam capable of recording full HD 1080p video across all 3 channels. It's used as a reliable tool for capturing footage in both daytime and nighttime settings, and the rear camera's night vision is used for safe and precise parking. Wide-angle lenses for reduced blind spots. With wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front, 140 degrees inside, and 150 degrees rear, the dash cam is used to reduce blind spots and ensure that every detail is captured. Its 12-inch IPS touchscreen displays all views in real time, used in most cars and trucks thanks to its universal fit. The sleek, high-definition touch interface is used as an intuitive tool for easy navigation and setup, allowing drivers to adjust settings and view footage effortlessly. Supercapacitor for extreme durability. The dash cam features a supercapacitor used to improve durability and reliability under extreme temperatures. Unlike traditional batteries, the supercapacitor ensures stable performance in hot or cold conditions, making the PRUVEEO J30 ideal for drivers in harsh environments or during extended usage. Reliable customer support and warranty. Backed by an 18-month warranty, the PRUVEEO J30 is used by drivers who value reliability and support. Customers benefit from 24/7 technical assistance and hassle-free replacement or refund options, ensuring long-term satisfaction and confidence in every purchase. In our list, the number 3 product name is WOLFBOX Rear View Mirror Camera. Smart 4K Mirror Dash Cam. WOLFBOX G930 model offers front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, with options to choose from 2.5K and 1080p for the front camera. Easily adjust the viewing angle by sliding up and down on the screen, and select the front image, rear image, or front and rear split-screen image by swiping left and right. Streaming media technology. The WOLFBOX Dash Cam can display the recorded picture in real time, expanding the visual range and effectively eliminating blind spots in the field of vision. Compared to traditional rearview mirrors, the streaming media rearview mirror offers a wider field of vision, and ultra-clear and non-distorted images, providing a safer driving experience. GPS tracking always on. After the GPS receiver is plugged into the WOLFBOX Dash Cam mirror, you can view live speed and direction on the screen. With our Mirror Dash Cam, you can obtain valid GPS information by reviewing all recorded videos on the GPS player. Parking Monitor and Super Night Vision. After connecting WOLFBOX hardware kit, extra purchases, you can activate the parking monitoring mode, which provides enhanced security and peace of mind for your vehicle when parked. No more worrying about potential accidents or thefts while you're away. The WDR Tech balances the lights, providing clear visibility when driving at night. Loop recording and G-sensor function provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you are away. The WOLFBOX Dash Cam records in a loop every 1/2/3 minutes until the oldest videos are overwritten by new ones. The G-sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the current video, allowing you to find valid evidence within the locked video. Updated Type-C interface. USB-C interface can transmit higher rate, support higher current. WOLFBOX mirror camera for car and truck with Type-C interface has higher security and a more refined and reliable structure. 64GB card and super after-sales service. WOLFBOX new model G934K mirror dash cam comes with a 64GB card and is backed by full 1-year guarantee. We offer 7 by 24 hours technical support. Just reach out to our customer service and we will answer any of your questions. In our list, the number 2 product name is AZDOME PG17 4K 12-inch mirror dash cam. Large touchscreen and smart 4K rear view mirror dash cam with its 12-inch front camera and 1080p rear camera. AZDOME PG17 mirror dash cam front and rear ensures detailed capturing, exceptional video quality, and effortless vehicle number plate reading. It features a 150-degree wide front angle and a 150-degree wide rear angle to minimize blind spots. Built-in Wi-Fi 6. Users can simply download AZDOME app and connect dash cam to easily manage and view recordings on their smartphone. Wi-Fi 6 ensures a smoother video playback and faster download speeds, allowing user to easily share their travel experiences and wonderful moments on social media with friends and family. 64GB card and GPS module included. AZDOME rearview mirror dash cam provides 64GB card and GPS module. GPS module can record driving route, speed, longitude, and latitude while driving. It can provide important evidence in the event of an accident. Smart voice control. Control the rear mirror dash camera with voice command. It is easy to start or stop recording, capture still pictures, etc., ensuring a safer and convenient driving experience. Superior night vision. PG17 4K car rear view mirror camera applies an anti-glare film to reduce glare during daylight hours and is equipped with WDR technology to enhance image details in low light conditions. 1080p IP68 rear cam. We recommend mounting the rear cam on the license plate to maximize road coverage with our 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it continues to function flawlessly, even in rainy conditions. Please note that installing it inside the car may reduce recording clarity due to window films on the rear window. Loop recording and G-sensor. PG17 4K dual dash cam records in loop intervals of 1/3/5 minutes, enabling continuous recording. When memory card is full, dashcam will automatically delete the oldest files to free up space for new recordings. If G-sensor is triggered by a collision, the current video file will be locked and preserved, preventing it from being overwritten by loop recording function. Reliable customer services. AZDOME provides 18 months and 24/7 technical supports. Please email us when you facing to any problems with after-sales service. AZDOME R&D team will try our best to feedback within 24 hours working days. In our list, the number 1 product name is Jansite mirror dash cam. 2025 upgrade 10-inch full touchscreen mirror dash cam, both 1080p front and 1080p rear camera, super night vision waterproof backup camera, long 10 meters backup camera cable, 33 feet, support 128G SD card max, not included. Dual 1080p plus 10 meters long camera cable upgrade, both 1080p backup camera and long camera cable. Our unique 33-foot rear camera cable help you solve the short camera cable issue when installation. Both 1080p front and 1080p rear view camera provide great video quality and capture every details. No longer worry about not seeing clearly other license plates. Real-time transmission of images, full screen view. The mirror dash cam with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lens eliminates blind spots. Super night vision analogy high definition of backup camera. Both 1080p front and 1080p rear view camera present super night vision in low light conditions, also with incorporated WDR/HDR tech balancing the lights, and the help of a StarVis sensor and 6-glass lens to capture higher quality images. Driving through the tunnel or at night should be more effortless. Safe parking. The rear view camera display with guidelines assist you safe parking. When you shift into R gear reversing, it automatically switches the dash camera screen to display the rear camera's perspective. You can immediately see all back for safe reversing. Thoughtful user interface and powerful functions. Thoughtful and friendly user interface for you to operate. It is flexible and convenient for you to adjust the view angle by scrolling up and down on the touchscreen and switch the camera back and forth. The brightness can be adjusted by slide left and right on the screen. Short press power button to shut off the display screen. The dual cams are still working to record videos. Easy installation and professional team. The dash cam with stretchable front cam can be easily installed on car rear view mirror with provided rubber straps. IP68 waterproof rear camera mount on the back of car. No worry rainy. If you want paste the rear camera inside your car on rear windshield, please buy our extra bracket, AZDOME B0B8C2TSM9. Every product of Jansite comes with 24H customer service. Any question, anytime to contact us. 24H parking monitor loop recording allows overwriting the oldest files to ensure continuous recording when the memory card reaches full. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor enables the dash cam front and rear camera to start recording a locked video for about 20s once encounters a collision during parking. An extra ACC hardwire kit is needed for this function.